You're not making any sales, or are you looking for new products to sell? Or maybe you just want to explore a new niche. Well, we got you covered. Today, we're going to talk about pet products, and more precisely, dog-related products. The pet owners are always looking for new products to take care of their companions and are some of the best clients to have. The dog niche is great for that reason. There are plenty of product types to choose from, and we're going to give you a glimpse. Hey everyone, this is John from DSers. Welcome back to our channel. We're back with another top products video, focusing on dog products for your dropshipping store. We're going to go over their features, advantages, data analysis, sales strategy, and some marketing ideas and tips for each of them. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss our future video, and let's go. First product on our list are slow feeder dog bowls. The main goal of this type of bowls is helping prevent dogs becoming overweight basically. But that's not all. Dogs can be fast eaters, and this leads to various health issues like obesity, bloating, regurgitation, and overeating. You can find them in different sizes, colors, and patterns to suit various dog breeds and owner preferences. This type of product offers certain competitive advantages. They address what can be a significant issue: dog health. Taking your dog to the vet can be expensive, so this actually helps not only the dog, but also the owner's wallet. It's also good to mention that there is an increasing awareness for pet health and well-being that drives the demand for functional pet products. If you add all this to the fact that you can easily cater for all types of dogs and food, you can see that this has a lot of potential. A quick look online can give you an idea of the market. On TikTok or Amazon, you can search for related keywords to see what's going on. We see a lot of engagement on videos showcasing slow feeders, and some videos even reach millions of views on TikTok, for example. For Amazon, the high number of sales and rating indicates a strong sales performance. This is enough to show you that the market is there. For a good sales strategy, you should try to offer competitive pricing with tiered options based on materials and design complexity. You can also create some bundles and discount for owners with multiple dogs. Try to be creative. Maybe provide a tray to go with the feeders. Your marketing strategy should focus on the health benefits. Describe how. By using a feeder, owners can help improve the life of their pets by reducing bloating and obesity. Share educational content about the dangers of fast eating for dogs and how slow feeders can potentially mitigate these risks. You can also consider working with pet influencers or content creators who often feature their dogs and offer them your products for visibility, or simply post video by yourself to showcase happy, healthy pet using your slow feeders. My personal tip is to create guides and tips on transitioning dog to using slow feeders. It's even better if you have a dog yourself and can make video of it. Second on our list are dog chewing toys. Those are always in demand for a simple reason: dogs break their toys. Chewing toys are amazing to keep dogs busy and reduce the damage they can do to your furniture, as they keep dogs engaged and reduce destructive chewing behavior. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes. You can find some that look like bones, balls, rings, and more. It's also important to note that those chewing toys also provide some health benefits for the dog, as they reduce plaque and tartar buildup. Any dogs can benefit from it. It's suitable for both puppies and adult dogs, making it a versatile product for various customer needs. We can check TikTok and Amazon to see what's going on online. On TikTok, videos showcasing dogs using chew toys often garner millions of views, with many pet influencers featuring these products. On Amazon, the dog chew toys receive thousands of reviews and high ratings. This indicates a strong and steady demand. To improve your sales strategy, I recommend optimizing product description with keywords like durable chew toy, dental health, and interactive dog toy. You should also include high-quality images and videos showing dogs enjoying the toys. Most important is to offer competitive pricing with occasional discount or bundle deals to attract more customers. You can take advantage of holidays and special occasions for targeted promotions and sales. On the marketing side, emphasize the health benefits of the chew toy, particularly dental health and stress relief. Try and work with pet influencers on TikTok and Instagram. Introduce your products to them. Give them some free products, and later, potentially do some paid collaboration with them to reach a broader audience and gain credibility. My personal tip is to make sure that the quality of your product is good, that they meet the safety standards. People care about their pets, and you don't want them to get sick because of a toy. You should also join some pet community, locally or online, to make your brand known. Third dog product of the day, dog bark collars. While I'm not a fan of this type of collar, there is a huge market for them nowadays. The main goal of those collars is to reduce or eliminate a dog's excessive barking. It's a practical solution for pet owners who struggle with noisy pets. The technology keeps evolving, And they now come with adjustable sensitivity levels, allowing you to customize it based on the dog size and temperament. There's also multiple training modes, like vibration, sound, or static shock options. As I mentioned just before, there is a growing market demand. The pet care industry is booming, with pet owners increasingly seeking effective training solutions. Most collars are straightforward to set up and operate, so they can be used by a wide customer base. A quick look on TikTok will confirm the popularity of pet-related content. It highlights the potential for viral marketing. And just like the previous products on our list, there is a high sales volume on Amazon that indicates its popularity and the robust demand. In terms of sales strategy, it's a good idea to create bundles that include additional accessories like training guides or extra color straps to enhance the value. Gather some customers' feedback, then leverage the positive reviews and success stories to build credibility in your store. For your marketing campaign, emphasize humane training. Highlight the colors humane training mode, like vibration and sound, instead of the shock modes to attract conscientious pet owners. It's also good to create educational content like blog posts, videos, and social media content about the benefit and proper use of your bark collars. Alright, now let's talk about portable dog water bottles. Those are so convenient and a must for every dog owner who likes to take their pets on a trip. Those water bottles provide an innovative and practical solution for pet owners who love to travel, hike, or walk with their dogs. It combines a water bottle and a drinking bowl into one convenient, easy-to-carry device. The keyword here is convenience, as it reduces the number of items pet owners need to carry. It's also great for water saving and easy to operate, making sure that your pets stay hydrated. The attached bowl allows dogs to drink comfortably without additional accessories. It's also suitable for dogs of various sizes and breeds, making it a versatile product for a wide customer base. Just like other products we checked before, looking online provides great base to understand the market. As we saw for collars, chew toys, and feeders, videos on TikTok demonstrate strong engagement and interest from the audience. There is also a high number of sales on Amazon, and that indicates that a great demand and customer satisfaction is present. Concerning sales, a good competitive pricing to attract budget-conscious customers while offering bundle deals for added value, like buy one and get one, is a strong way to increase your order values. Seasonal promotion to offer discounts and promotion during peak travel season and holidays can also help you to boost your sales. For the marketing, focus on pet owners, especially those who are active and enjoy outdoor activities with their dogs. I'd recommend optimizing the SEO to use keywords like portable dog water bottle, pet travel accessories, or dog hydration bottle to improve search visibility and get more visibility. To stay on the outdoor topic for pets, don't forget hand-free dog leashes. They are a modern, convenient solution for dog owners who enjoy multitasking while walking their dogs. This innovative product allows users to maintain control of their dogs without needing to hold the leash in their hands. With an adjustable waist belt, it fits comfortably, freeing hands up for other activities like jogging, pushing a stroller, or carrying groceries. There is also a shock absorption component, as most waist leashes often include bungee section that absorb sudden pulls or jerks, protecting both the owner and the dog. Some also provide multiple attachment points for additional accessories like a pouch or waist bag dispenser. It's very convenient. On TikTok, the platform's influencers and everyday users alike have shared positive experience contributing to viral trends. Those products have a good image online. And on Amazon, the hands-free dog leash have consistent high sales ranking in the pet supplies category. Similarly to other products we listed, the best way to increase your sales, in my opinion, is to create bundle deals. Sell the leash with multiple other pet accessories to increase your average order value. For marketing, focus on lifestyle and demos. Emphasize how the product enhances an active lifestyle, making it easier to exercise with dogs. Create engaging videos that demonstrate the leash features and benefits in real-life scenarios. Last on the list are dog frisbees. They are designed for outdoor fun and exercise for pets. They provide a great way to keep dogs active, healthy, and entertained, making it an ideal product for pet lovers, and they come in different sizes to cater to various dogs' breeds. These products stand out for their exceptional durability. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, they are designed to withstand even the heaviest chewing and biting. This means they last longer, providing better value for your client. But that's not all. They also offer significant health benefits, promoting both physical exercise and mental stimulation, keeping your furry friends active and engaged. This is essential for their overall well-being and their happiness. On TikTok, Countless videos featuring dogs playing with frisbees are capturing millions of views. This high level of engagement and interest highlights the popularity of the product. Pet influencers also frequently showcase dog frisbees in their content, boosting visibility and desirability among their followers. Turning to Amazon, dog frisbee consistently rank among top-selling pet toys. This strong demand underscores the widespread appeal and trust in our product. For the marketing, talk about health and happiness. When dog plays with frisbees, they engage in physical exercise and mental stimulation, crucial for the overall well-being. A happy, active dog is a healthy dog, and your frisbee are designed to provide just that. To further amplify the message, partner with pet influencer. By leveraging the reach and credibility of this influencer, you can increase visibility and trust in your products. My tips is to gather feedback. Regularly collect and analyze customer feedback to understand what's good and what's not good about your product. You should also provide innovative designs. Introduce new designs and features to keep your products line fresh and exciting. By staying ahead of the trends and continuously innovating, you'll maintain your position as a leader of the market. As you see, the pet product market is thriving with innovative items like slow feeder bowls, chew toys, hand-free lashes, frisbee, and so on. They all provide various benefits for the dog and the owners. Data from TikTok and Amazon shows strong demand for these products. Coupled with an effective sales strategy and creative marketing, you can be sure to increase your number of orders. We hope you found this video helpful. We'll keep bringing you new content to help you with your dropshipping business, so make sure to subscribe. Until next time, happy dropshipping.